Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pass4Future YouTube channel. If you're preparing for the Implementing Data Engineering Solutions using Azure Databricks certification exam, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover 5 exam-style practice questions, explain the correct answers in detail, and help you understand the concepts that are most likely to appear on the real exam. So, test your knowledge, think carefully before each answer, and let's get started with question number 1. Question 1. Your organization ingests terabytes of log files into Azure Databricks every day. The data arrives continuously, and analysts need near real-time dashboards with minimal latency. Which Databricks feature should you use? A. Delta Lake Time Travel. B. Structured Streaming. C. MLflow D. Databricks SQL Dashboard. Correct answer, B. Structured Streaming Explanation. Structured Streaming is built specifically for processing continuously arriving data. Instead of waiting for scheduled batch jobs, Structured Streaming processes new records as they arrive, while maintaining fault tolerance and exactly once processing. This makes it perfect for IoT data application logs, financial transactions, real-time monitoring, streaming analytics. Let's review the remaining options. Option A, Delta Lake Time Travel, allows you to access previous versions of data. It is useful for auditing and recovery but does not process streaming data. Option C, MLflow, is designed for managing machine learning experiments, models, and deployments. Option D, Databricks SQL Dashboard, visualizes processed data but does not ingest or process streaming data. Whenever an exam question mentions continuous ingestion, real-time processing, or live analytics, structured streaming is usually the correct answer. Question 2, a data engineering team needs to guarantee ACID transactions while supporting large-scale analytics on a data lake. Which technology provides this capability? A. CSV files. B. Delta Lake. C. JSON files. D. Azure Blob snapshots. Correct answer B. Delta Lake explanation. Delta Lake extends traditional data lakes by adding enterprise-grade reliability. It provides ACID transactions, data versioning, schema enforcement, schema evolution, time travel, high-performance reads and writes. These capabilities make Delta Lake the foundation of modern Azure Databricks data engineering. Why are the other answers incorrect? CSV and JSON files are simple storage formats. They don't support transactional consistency or advanced metadata management. Azure Blob snapshots protect storage but don't provide transactional capabilities for analytical workloads. If you see terms like ACID, reliable storage, data consistency, or lakehouse architecture, think of Delta Lake. Question 3. Your organization wants multiple engineers to work on notebooks while maintaining version history and simplifying collaboration. Which integration should you recommend? A. Git integration. B. Azure Monitor. C. Power BI. D. Azure Key Vault. Correct answer A. Git integration. Explanation. Git integration allows teams to track every code change, create branches, merge updates, roll back mistakes, collaborate efficiently, follow DevOps best practices. Large engineering teams rarely develop notebooks without version control. Option B. Monitors resources, but doesn't manage source code. Option C. Creates reports instead of managing development. Option D. Securely stores secrets and credentials, but doesn't track notebook versions. Version control is an essential topic for both real-world engineering and certification exams. Question 4. A Delta table has accumulated thousands of obsolete data files after repeated updates and deletes. Which command helps optimize storage and remove unnecessary files? A. Vacuum. B. Select. C. Merge. D. Create table. Correct answer A. Vacuum explanation. The vacuum command permanently removes obsolete files that are no longer referenced by the Delta transaction log. Benefits include reduced storage costs, improved query performance, cleaner storage, better maintenance. Now let's review the incorrect options. Select retrieves data. Merge combines inserts, updates, and deletes. Create table creates new database objects. Only vacuum performs storage cleanup after Delta operations. Questions involving storage optimization frequently point to the vacuum command. Question 5. Your company stores database passwords, API keys, and connection strings that Databricks notebooks need during execution. What is the most secure solution? A. Store passwords directly inside notebooks. B. Save passwords in CSV files. C. Use Azure Key Vault, integrated with Databricks. D. Share credentials through email. Correct. Answer C. Use Azure Key Vault integrated with Databricks. Explanation. Security is one of the most important responsibilities of a data engineer. Azure Key Vault securely stores password secret certificates, encryption keys, API credentials. Databricks can retrieve these secrets during execution without exposing sensitive information inside notebook code. Let's examine the other options. Hard-coding passwords inside notebooks creates significant security risks. Saving credentials in CSV files exposes confidential information. Sharing passwords through email violates nearly every security best practice. Whenever certification questions mention credential management, secret storage, or secure authentication, Azure Key Vault is the recommended solution. Before taking the Implementing Data Engineering Solutions using Azure Databricks certification exam, make sure you're comfortable with these core topics. Delta Lake Structured Streaming Spark Data Frames Delta Live Tables. Unity Catalog Azure Key Vault Git Integration Cluster Management. Performance Optimization Partitioning Data Security Data Governance Workflow Automation. Notebook Development Lakehouse. Architecture. Remember, certification exams are designed to test your ability to solve real-world engineering problems, not simply recall definitions. Focus on understanding why one solution is better than another, and you'll be much more confident on exam day. That brings us to the end of today's Microsoft DP-750 exam practice questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest certification exam content. Also, let us know in the comments how many questions you answered correctly before the explanations. If you're looking for more practice questions, detailed study guides, and the latest exam preparation materials, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Pass4Future, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, and good luck with your certification exam.